Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can just make your aternos server 24x7 online forever with two steps. Yeah, we have actually two steps. The first step is kind of easy, but the second step is a bit tricky, but you will understand it nicely. For example, I have already set my main biggest project server on 24x7 online. As you can see, a player is already inside my server, and my server is online from many time, and actually it's online since the morning. Like, it has been 10 to 12 hours since it has been online. So the first step which I'm gonna show you of aternos should work sometimes only, but the second step will work every time. The first step which I'm going to show you in aternos is this. Click on the play button which you have came on the aternos server website, and just go and click on play button, and go and click on your server which you want to. Because if you don't have any servers, just click on create button and create a server if you want. So I'm gonna just click here on example 31 which I have created for my video. So we are on our server list. Now we're gonna go in this plugins option, but if you have just created a server, first you need to go in the software option. You would get both of these options, but I'm going to install the paper bucket option because it's best preferred. Just go on the 91.19.3 and click on this install option. You will get this plugins option. Let's go in this plugins option, and you will see here many plugins. Like, they have suggested many plugins for you, but we're just gonna go on the search bar over here and just search always online and click on this search button. Now here one plugin will be available, just click on it. Now guys, as I told you, this option will not work every time in your server, but it will work. But your server may shut down after a while. It will be turned on for like 4 to 5 hours, but it may turn off after a while, just because you can see this Forge actually stopped making the versions of the always online plugin, just because you can see it was made in 2016-1.3. So if you want to, you can just install this always online plugin. If you want your server, after when you will leave your server will be online for 5 to 4 hours only. So this would actually directly, it would just increase the server time when you just leave the server. Just click on this install button over here, and this will automatically install the server plugin over here. Now you just can go on the server option and click on start button. So guys, for a second step in just creating a 24x7 online server is by creating an AFK bot. Now, what is an AFK bot? An AFK bot is a bot which actually just proves that your server, which actually just stays in your server and keeps moving so that the server doesn't kick him out as an idle. So let's go and create a new tab over here, and you have to search here fork the replit. Now just click on the first link over here. Now click on the search command which is over here, and type here Minecraft bot. if you don't just want to go on this website, you can just simply go description link and just go over here, click on the first link over here, which has functional Minecraft AFK bots for server anti-AFK auto authorization. So just click on the Minecraft bot, don't click on these, just click that, and this will open this page. Now just click on this fork option and choose a name for your bot. I'm just gonna choose a name for your fork left. I'm just gonna choose Minecraft bot. I also suggest don't change the name, just go on this fork rel option and create it. Now this will automatically create a web building software, which you can just see over here. It's just booting the rel. Now it has successfully connected. Now you would be on this readme option. Now you have to go on this settings.json. You have to just scroll down a bit. If you want to change the username of the bot, you can just click here and change the username of the bot, but I suggest don't change the name because the staff name will be good. Now now you will see a server option over here. You can see their IP option, and here is some random IP over here, so just select it and click backspace or just remove it. Now go on this your aternos server back and just copy this. Now go back on the replit option or the tab. Now go on this IP option and just paste it. You can just paste by pressing Ctrl+V, or you can just paste by manually clicking over here.
Light this bitch up.
Now if you just run your bot doesn't work over here, you can try changing the port of as your server has. You can just click on this connect option and select the port over here and change the port over here. And you can see the version is 1.12.2, not a newer version, it's an older version. So for this you have to go in the my server option again and just go in the plugins option again and go over here and search VIA. Now click on search. Now you have to first install the VIA backwards plugin. Now just go back and then you have to install the VIA rewind. Click on this install. And go back. Then you have to just finally install the VIA version option. And it will be installed. Now your server is ready to launch. Now just go on this server option and click on the start button to start your server. Now click on OK option and this will start your server. Now you can see the server is finally online. Now you have to go on the replit option, like the tab, and just click on this run option. Now this will run some code and the server name. Now as the bot will enter the server will be 24/7 online, and you can just go in the players option just click on the whitelist option and just enter the name of the staff and just whitelist them. By this, the server wouldn't kick out the staff or the bot, Minecraft bot, and you would enjoy the 24x7 online service. So guys, here I am inside my Minecraft world, and as you can see the bot over here just jumping around. And yes, this is the bot which I was talking about. He is going to jump every time, so that the server doesn't recognize him as AFK bot. He's a player now. In the server's POV, he's a player. And if you want to know which shader pack I use inside Minecraft, this is a very good pack, as you can see. And the bot is over there, yeah, just jumping around. So this was the video, guys. So this was the video. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel, like this video, and bye. See you later in another video. And if you want to know which shader pack I use, just comment down below, guys. I'll tell you which shader pack that I use. Goodbye. See you in another video. Bye bye.